Welcome to the Microsoft IoT video series, where I'll get you quick answers to all your Microsoft questions. Many of the Microsoft embedded IoT products, such as Windows 10 IoT Enterprise, WES 7, POS Ready 7, Industry 8.1 Pro, and CE, use a single product key that is good for thousands of activations. Often we are asked to verify how many times a key has been activated. You are able to answer this simply by using a free tool from Microsoft called the VAMT, or Volume Activation Management Tool. This tool is located within the Windows 10 ADK, and we'll provide a download link in the video description of where you can download the tool. When you install the Windows 10 ADK, please note that the VAMT is not selected by default, so you must make sure to select the checkbox in order to have the tool installed. The tool also requires a SQL database, so make sure and select the free SQL Express option. Upon first launch of the tool, it will want to connect to a SQL database, and you will simply create a new one by typing a database name and opening the tool. From there, click on the product keys in the left menu and then on Add Product Keys on the far right side. Enter a product key and then refresh the view. You should then be able to verify how many times a key has been activated. Lastly, this tool works with many different types of keys such as Open Volume, OEM Embedded, and Retail. However, there are certain types of keys that VAMT does not work with. For more questions on activation and product keys, reach out to our team. If you need further information, we are more than happy to get on the phone and answer all your questions.